Matt here with 911R Avant-Garde. Here we have a 1967 330, and I just want to walk around and talk about the car. The car is an older restoration, but it's been really well maintained by Steve at ECS over the years, and the car has been the same collector ownership for about 10 years, it seems like. The body and paint, it looks very nice. Only real flaw I can find on it is on the little nick on the front of the edge of this hood. But the chrome, the bright work, all the parts of the car, all really nice and straight. Beautiful Brandy spoke wheels, green dot mirror, pretty cool. On the inside, you have black leather interior, Nardi wheel. It has a Series 1 dash, even though it's a Series 2 car. Just how it came out of the factory. Open the hood here. You can see the 12-cylinder Colombo motor. It looks very nice under here. Properly detailed out in all the right stuff. Car fires up and drives really nice. I've probably put about 30 miles on this car on a couple of various drives. Shifts really good. Let me come around on that side. We can open up you can see some more of the interior details. The leather is really nice. Wood dash. Period correct Becker stereo. Just all the features of this car look really good. Come around to the trunk. Car has all its toolkits, jacks, road triangles, car covers. Everything is all there. It comes with the car. Again, panel fits very nice on it. All the chrome is nice on it. The exhaust system is really good. Be sure to look at our underside photos. You can see how nice the underside is on it. This is a beautiful example of an early 12-cylinder Ferrari. If you have any questions, please use the contact seller button. If you want anything to know about 911R and our consignment program, please also reach out as well. But this is a beautiful Ferrari, and you should be really happy. Thank you.